Hello everyone. So, have you ever downloaded a Python project from GitHub and opened it in VS Code and then ran it and got an error like this module not found error, no module named CV2. So, in place of CV2, it can be NumPy, Pandas, or any other package. So don't worry, this is one of the most common errors every Python beginner faces. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install any Python package using pip. Then what pip actually is and how to fix these errors forever. Okay, so let's get started. So before learning pip, let's first understand what a package is. A Python package is a collection of Python code that someone has already written to solve a specific problem. Okay, so you can think of it like this. So instead of building everything from scratch, we use a ready made package that already has everything we need. Okay, so suppose you want to create a face recognition project. Can you write the entire face detection code from scratch? Yes, you can, but it would take months, right? So instead, someone has already done that work and shared it with everyone. That ready made code is called a Python package. Okay, so examples of Python packages, we have OpenCV. This is for computer vision, face detection, image processing. Then NumPy for mathematical operations on numbers. Pandas is there for data analysis and manipulation. Flask is for web development. Matplotlib is for creating graphs and visualizations. Okay. So instead of writing everything yourself, you simply install the package and use it. Now the question is, how do we install these packages? That's where pip comes in. So pip is Python's package installer or manager. Okay, it helps us download and install Python packages from the Python package index, which is PyPI. Okay, so you can think of pip like this. So PyPI is like a big online store, like App Store or Google Play Store, and pip is the tool that installs apps on your computer. Okay, so this PyPI is nothing but the official website that stores millions of Python packages, and pip is used to download and install the packages from this website. Okay, like for example, if we want to install NumPy, so we will write like this: pip install NumPy. So it will install NumPy. Similarly, pip install pandas will install pandas. Pip install OpenCV Python will install OpenCV. Pip install Flask will install Flask. Okay. And then we have some basic pip commands like pip install package name. So it will help me to install the package. Then this pip list, it will show all installed packages. Then this pip show package name, it will show information about a package. Okay, then pip install dash dash upgrade package name, it will help you to update the package, right? Then pip uninstall package name, it will help you to uninstall the package. Okay, so when you install Python on your computer, pip comes with Python. Okay, so how pip install works? So you type a command like pip install numpy. Okay, so pip looks in PyPI, which is the website, right? So pip will look into this PyPI. Okay, then PyPI finds the package and sends it to pip. Okay, and then pip downloads the package and all its dependencies. Okay, for example, when we download OpenCV, okay, with that we also get numpy as a dependency. Okay, so the package and all its dependencies are downloaded, and pip installs everything inside your virtual environment. Okay, and then you can use that package in your code without any error. So you can understand this that you as a developer will use pip to install the packages from the website, and that will help you to download and install it inside your .venv, which is nothing but your virtual environment, and then you can use that in your code. So this is nothing but a package where you have reusable code in it. Then this PyPI, this is nothing but the repository where you have all the packages. And then with the help of pip, you take the packages from PyPI and add it to your program. Okay. So now let's install OpenCV. So here only on the terminal we can write pip install opencv-python. Okay, so notice we are not writing pip install cv2, so we have to write pip install opencv python. Okay, and then hit enter. So after a few seconds, opencv will be installed. So you can see here successfully installed numpy and its version, opencv python and its version. So when we install opencv python, we also get one dependency which is numpy with it. Okay. So now we can run this code. So to run this code, we have to write python main.py. So you can see that we are getting one more error, attribute error, module cv2 has no attribute cascade classifier. So we have this OpenCV version, right? But this OpenCV version does not support this. That is why we are getting error. So we have to downgrade our version. Okay. So to downgrade our version, we have to write something like this: pip install opencv -python equals to like 4.10.0.84 and hit enter. So you can see that it has successfully uninstalled the latest version, and it has successfully installed the older version, which will not give that error. Okay. Now if we run the code again, so you can see that it works perfectly fine. Okay. So this is how we can install some specific version. Okay. So sometimes projects only work with a particular version, and we have installed that version. Okay. So if you want tutorial of how to build this application, let me know in the comment section.